Looking for a fun way to get in your nutrients? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we create delicious and nutritious recipes together in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making green juice gummies. In a small bowl, add in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is about 1½ lemons. And lemons are so good for your digestion. They may help prevent kidney stones, they boost your immunity, and they're such a great low glycemic fruit. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of beef gelatin on top of the lemon juice and then set it aside to thicken. Next, in a small pot, pour in 1½ cups of filtered water. To your water, let's add 2 inches of thinly sliced ginger root. Ginger is also really good for your digestion, and it can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, as well as really reducing inflammation in the body, and it has antibacterial benefits. Ginger is super powerful. Bring your water to a boil and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you simmer, the stronger the ginger flavor will be. Strain out your ginger pieces, and you want to measure 1¼ cup of this gingered water. Just a quick note, if you are going to be boiling your ginger for 10 minutes instead of 5, I would highly recommend starting off with 2 cups of the filtered water instead of 1 1/2, just to make sure you have enough to measure out 1 1/4. To your ginger water, let's add in 1 scoop of our OrganiGreens green juice powder, which is made out of 14 sprouted and fermented superfoods and botanicals, and it's 33 times more potent than just juicing. So you are always welcome to use your favorite green juice powder here. It doesn't have to be ours, it's completely up to you. This next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 drop of our Organixx lemon essential oil, or you could use the orange essential oil. And this is just going to add more flavor to our gummies, and it's also going to add more of that immune boosting vitamin C. Just please be sure to use organic and food grade essential oil whenever you're adding it to any kind of recipe. Whisk together your ingredients really well. Now let's add in your thickened lemon juice and stevia to taste. So you're going to want to taste it and get it just to the right sweetness for you. Now we're ready to pour your mixture into either some silicone molds, which I have right here, or you can just grease an 8x8 glass pan, and then you can cut up the gummies into whatever shape you'd like. You might need to keep whisking this just to make sure that the mixture stays in there as you're pouring. And I'm just going to pour right over top and then just take a straight edge and move it around in there. Get in any of the extra. Once your molds are filled, or see, I had a little bit left over, so I just put it into a little glass container. Stick them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until they set. And then if you're having problems releasing them once they are set, you can always stick them in the freezer for about 15 more minutes, and that should help you get them out. Okay, let's give these gummies a taste. Brianna's going to try them. There's a few things that I did. I noticed that it worked a lot better if I blended it up instead of just using the whisk. Otherwise, some of that green powder kind of settled to the bottom, and it really made it stick together a little bit better. Also, I played around with it a little bit and added some coconut cream, and those were really tasty. Is that the one you're trying?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was good. And then I would get really creative. Use your favorite flavors. You could, juice some of your favorite vegetable juice or fruit juice to sweeten it up instead of using stevia. But really make this work for you. You could use different types of teas. I mean, it's endless what you could create. I would love to hear, though, what you do. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe so you can join me next week for another healthy recipe. to help keep you inspired in the kitchen. I'll see you next week.